My full name is XIAOMI Redmi Note 7, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up your settings, and from settings scroll down to About Phone. It's right at the top, and from here we should find storage. Once you scroll down, you will see your SD card, so SanDisk SD card, and below you will find Erase SD card. Stop on that. It will give you a message that this process will basically remove all the data from it, so if there's something that you would like to keep, you might as well just back it up before you start. Now, assuming you don't want to back it up, or you have already done that, you can proceed by tapping on Format SD card. The process will immediately begin. It just takes several seconds, and once it's finished, the card is ready to be used again. So about now. So it's done. So that is how you would format the SD card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.